Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 4, Day 2. Listen to these words: wish, bank, shop. The words wish and shop have sh. The word bank does not. It doesn't belong. Listen as I say some more words and find the one that does not belong. Sing, ring, smash. Smash does not belong. Moth, path, ship, shop. Shop does not belong. Crash, rush, thin. Thin does not belong. Head, mesh, flesh. Head does not belong. Okay, friends, let's look at some words. Okay, let's review. S-H, S-H, sh, sh, sh. Shiny shoes, sh, sh, sh. Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds to read it. 3, 2, 1, shop. Ooh, I see S-H again. Sh. 3, 2, 1, wish. T-H, T-H, this thumb, so it can either say or th. Okay, give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, then. Oh, there's my TH again. It can say th or th. 3, 2, 1, that. Oh, there's my SH. 3, 2, 1, hush. Oh, there's a blend and a digraph. 3, 2, 1, crash. 3, 2, 1, this. 3, 2, 1, thump. And 3, 2, 1, math. Okay, so I like to do shiny shoes, so I'm just going to draw a little shoe. It's not the best drawing, but hopefully that'll help you. S-H, S-H, sh, sh, sh. Shiny shoes, sh, sh, sh. And this is a digraph, which means we put 2 sounds together and it's a totally new sound, as in ship or trash. Next is T-H, T-H, this thumb, so it can either be or that or path. Ng, ng, sing a song, So ing says ing, so ring and sing. Okay, let's blend. Here we go. Ing. Now I'm not saying ing. We don't say ing, we say ring. Do you hear how it kind of says g, but it really doesn't? So put it together, that becomes ring. Flash. It becomes flash. It becomes thick. I'll let you do this one. Think of your digraph. Blend. Shock. Word. Shock. Oh, your turn. Word. Cloth. Okay, let's look at some of these words. So these ones we'll take turns, and then these last 3, I'm going to try to have you do those on your own, okay? So we'll take turns. We'll go first together. We know this is th or the. So that. Word. That. Okay, we have another th. So go ahead and do it in your head if you can. If you can't, make the sounds, okay? 3, 2, 1, thump. Okay, let's do the next one together. Moth. Word, moth. Okay, your turn. Remember your digraph. 3, 2, 1, shed. We'll do this one together. I have my blend. Ash. Word, trash. Your turn. There's my digraph. 3, 2, 1, shell. Okay, so if you can remember ing, what does ing say? Ing. So I'll give you 3 seconds to do it on your own. And what this little red part says is internal sounding out. That means we want you to eventually be able to do it in your head. That's the goal. So I'll give you 3 seconds to think of this word. 3, 2, 1. Wing. 3, 2, 1. Bring. 3, 2, 1. Stung. So you see we still have an here. We have an instead of an I, but we still have the sound. Okay, here we go. Let's read this. This is my digraph. Let's blend it. Thing. What word did we make? Thing. Change the th to w. Wing. Change the w to s. Sing. Add an L after the S. So the L goes here. Sling. Change the ul to t. Sting. Get rid of the T. Cover up the T with your hand. It becomes sing. Change the S to ring. Add a B in front. Bring. Change the br to w. Wing. Change the w to thing. Change the so keep the I, but change the to unk. Now that one was hard. That's think. Please remember, ink says ink. Ink. Because if I sound that out, it would be ink. Think. That doesn't make sense. It has to be think. Change the unk to thin. Change the I to than. And that's it. So let's look at our high frequency words. I would love for you to understand that AL says ah. When I add the L, it says ul. All. 5 times. All. I see all the kids in the class. Oh, here's my and ul. All. Add a k. Call. I think I will call Seth. Okay, next. Day. I spent the day at the shop. Her. Whoops. Beth lost her big bag. And this one's tricky. So if I make the sounds, this would be want. It's not want, it's want. Want. Do you want to sing a song with me? Okay, here is our story for today. Okay, I'm going to let you go first, then we'll do it together. You first. Together. Pack it, Kim. So she must be going somewhere. And these are some words you'll see. Let's read them. 3, 2, 1. Can. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. She. 3, 2, 1. Is. 3, 2, 1. On. 3, 2, 1. The. 3, 2, 1. Go. 3, 2, 1. See. 3, 2, 1. Was. Okay, I'm going to let you go first, then we'll do it together. You first. Together. Pack it, Kim. Okay, let's go over here. Your turn first. Okay, together. Kim can kick a rock. She can lick a pop, like a popsicle. So it must be hot. Okay, let's see what she's thinking. Look at that little bubble. She's thinking of cold, the snow. Okay, your turn first. Together. Kim is hot on the dock. This is a dock. Kim can go see Kit. Okay. Your turn. Together. Kim can pack it. It can sit on the rack. This is a rack. It holds something. Okay, let's see where she went. Oh, I see snow. Okay, your turn. Together. Kit was on the deck. Kim ran a lot. Your turn. Last of all, Kim can pick 10, so 10 snowballs. Can Kit hit it? Okay, so this is our last part.